This problem is number 6 on the word problem worksheet. It is about Linda's teacher and having students in groups of 5. And the question says that the class is divided into groups of 5 and they have to meet with each member of the group. So all that means is you're setting up meetings between 2 people. So I drew some diagrams over here, and I'll just look at this one first. At the top, all I did was person 5 has to meet with 4, they meet with 3, they have to meet with 2, they have to meet with 1. Then 4 has to meet with 3, 4 has to meet with 2, 4 has to meet with 1. 3 has to meet with 2, 3 meets with 1, and then 2 meets with 1. And then all I did was counted up my arrows. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 meetings that are happening. The second strategy, I just made a list of all the meetings. I had 5 meeting with 4, 5 meeting with 3, 5 meeting with 2, 5 meeting with 1, and I went through all the possible combinations, and then I just counted them when I was done. And this is possible to do with problems that have smaller numbers like this one. And this is the math way over here. At first, we're not sure how many you're choosing. This number isn't exactly in the problem. So you might wonder how I got the 2. Well, if you're required to meet with another person in your group, how many people are meeting? You have 2 people meeting with each other. So you have 5 people in your group and 2 people are meeting with one another. So it's a 5 choose 2 problem. So now we can go ahead and set up our factorials. So I have my 5 is on top, my 2 is on the bottom, and then 5 minus 2 is 3. So then I go ahead and 5 times 4 and then times 3 factorial. I notice I have a 3 factorial here, so I just wrote it down here, times the 2 factorial. These 2 cancel out. So then I just have 5 times 4 over 2 times 1, because 2 factorial is just 2 times 1. That's 20 divided by 2, and I get 10. So my answer when I did it mathematically matched my diagram. So that's just a way that's easy to double check to make sure you know you're right, especially if you have small numbers.